Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will provide you an updated version of how to set up Google Analytics 4 using the Google Tag, using the Google New Tag. If any of you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Google Analytics and Tag Manager tutorials, tips and tricks. The Google Analytics 4 configuration tag is now replaced with the Google tag. Right now I am going to show you how to set up Google Analytics 4 with that new Google tag, and hopefully that will provide you with all the information that you need. Okay, let's see how to connect Google Analytics 4 with Google Tag Manager using Google New Tag. Okay, first of all, you have to go in Google Tag Manager and you have to open Google Analytics. If you don't have created Google Tag Manager and Analytics, then you have to create first. And if you don't have if you don't know how to create, then you can visit my channel and show my previous video. Okay, let's see. First of all, you have to uh, click in admin. In admin panel you will see this dashboard. If you already create Google Analytics 4, then you have to go in data stream. Okay, you have to go to data stream. Over here you will see your website. Over here you have to see the measurement ID, and with this measurement ID we will collect data from our website. Okay, so I'm going to copy this measurement ID and going to Google Tag Manager, and in Google Tag Manager here is my website account, and then I have to go in tag. Then you have to go in new, then you can rename this tag name GA4 simple text. Okay, then click on tag configuration. Here you will see some presets like Google Analytics and Google Tag. I can select Google Tag from here. Also you can select from Google Analytics. Okay, over here you will get Google Tag. Click Google Tag, then here is tag ID. I have to type Google Analytics measurement ID. I'm going just copy and paste this measurement ID here, then click on triggering. Okay, you can choose anyone, but I will choose all pages, then save, and now you have to check if it's working or not. Click on preview, then type your website name and connect. Here you will see the result when your website is connected. Yes, tag assistant connected. Click continue, then here you will see it's working. Here is my measurement ID and tag name simple text UK, that simple text that I set here, simple text tag GA, and page view hits and trigger fired. Hopefully it's working good, but you have to mind, when you do any change or any work in Google Tag Manager, every time you have to click on submit and you have to publish. Okay, then continue. You can type anything here. Your website is now connected with Google Analytics. Okay, if your website is connected, then you will see your website is connected, and you can check with others way, like this tag on extension named Google Tag Assistant Legacy. You have to enable it, then reload your website, then click here. Tag manager is working, but I have to wait for another tag. If you see this green blue bus, then you can decide your Google Tag is working properly, or you can use this tag, and hopefully if you have any question, then you can comment in my video, and you can message my Facebook profile or Facebook page. Okay, thank you for watching this video.